Let us take a problem on synthetic division. Now suppose you are asked to find the general solution of the complementary function of this example 2d cubed plus 3d squared minus 5 operated on y is equal to 0. Now it may be some other problem, maybe 2 into d to the power 4 plus 4d squared minus 5 is equal to 0. Now I have taken a simple problem like this. Now to find out the roots, what I am doing, you may operate the calculator and you may get the answer since the power of d is only 3. Suppose if the power of d is 5, then it becomes a problem. Then in that case you must know a method. For that I had taken this. This method is called as synthetic division. Now let us go on trying with some numbers to find out the root of this equation. Suppose if I substitute d is equal to minus 1. Substitute d is equal to minus 1, what happens? 2 into minus 1 whole cube. D cubed means for d you are substituting minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into d minus 1 whole square minus 5. Totally what you are getting? Minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 plus 3. Minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4, that is not equal to 0. So therefore this case we are not considering since the answer we are not getting that to be 0. Now suppose let us substitute d is equal to 1. If I substitute d is equal to 1, what happens if I substitute d is equal to 1? 2 into d is 1 whole cube plus 3 into d is 1 whole square minus 5. So what you got? 2 plus 3, 5. Here minus 5, 5 minus 5, 0. That is what we got. So since the answer is 0, when I substitute d is equal to 1 here, I am getting the answer 0. Since the answer is 0, this d is equal to 1 is called as the root of this equation. So that root we are taking it here, d is equal to 1. Note the point very clearly. That root I am writing it here, d is equal to 1. Now write the coefficients. What are the coefficients? Coefficient of d cube, 2. Next coefficient of d square, 3. Now next d is not here, so therefore 0. Observe, 2 I have written. Coefficient of d square, 3. D is not here, therefore 0. Next constant, minus 5 you have to write. Right? After that, always you are keeping a 0 here. First write the coefficients, 2, next 3. D is not there, therefore I have written 0. Next minus 5. Now always you write a 0 here. Add this. 0 plus 2 plus 2. Right? 0 plus 2 plus 2. This way you have to multiply. 2 into 1, 1. So this way you are multiplying. This way you are adding. Remember. So always you are keeping a 0. Here write the coefficients. Always you write 0 here. Add the numbers. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 into 1, 2 into 1, 2. Now 2 plus 3, 5. This 5 should be multiplied again to 1. 5 should be multiplied to 1. 5. 5 plus 0, 5. This 5 again multiplied to 1. 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 5 minus 0. I repeat, understand clearly. First find out the root. D is equal to 1 is the root. Why? When I substitute d is equal to 1, you are getting 0. So d is equal to 1, you have written. Now arrange the coefficients. What are the coefficients? 2, 3, I have written. Next, d is not here, therefore 0. Minus 5, I have written. Now always you are keeping a number 0. 2 plus 0, 2. Multiply like this. This way you are multiplying this way. 2 into 1, 2 plus 0, 2. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus minus 5, 0. Now, let us write these coefficients. This has coefficients of this equation. Which equation? D squared equation. That means quadratic equation. Because what is the highest power here? D cubed. So therefore, this starts with 2 into d square. Next, 5 into d plus 5 is equal to 0. I repeat, power of d is 3. Therefore, I have to start with power of d, 2. 2 into d square plus 5 into d, right? Plus 5 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 5. Just substituting the formula, d is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. See what you are getting? D is equal to minus b, that is minus 5, plus or minus square root of b square 25 minus 4 into A is 2, isn't it? A is 2, C, what is C? 5 divided by 2A, 2 into, what is the value of A? A is 2, 2 into 2. So what are the roots you are getting? Observe, D is equal to minus 5 plus or minus. So what you are getting? 25. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 5, 40. 25 minus 40. 25 minus 40 is, that is minus 15 divided by 4. So what you got? 8. D is equal to minus 5 plus or minus. Under square root minus 1 is there, for that therefore I into, for this minus I have written I into root 15 divided by 4. So therefore there are two roots. One is minus 5 plus minus 5 by 4, or you write like this, minus 5 by 4, right? This is equal to minus 5 by 4 plus or minus, right, I by 4 into root 5. So what are the roots? Minus 5 by 4 plus or minus root 15 by 4 into I. We have written that. So what are the roots you got totally? What are the roots you got? The roots are, observe, D is equal to, what are the roots you got? Minus 5 by 4 plus or minus square root of 15 by 4 into I. So this is my alpha, this is beta. Now one more root we got here is, don't forget this root, D is equal to 1. So D is equal to 1. So to write the complementary function corresponding to this complex roots, you know, complex roots, for that what is the formula? E to the power alpha x into C1 cos beta x plus C2 sin beta x. This is the formula. For this, e to the power m1x, where m1 is 1, e to the power, this root is different from this, e to the power 1 into x. Now for beta I am substituting root 15 by 4, for alpha I am substituting minus 5 by 4. So e to the power alpha is minus 5 by 4x into alpha is minus 5 by 4 c1 cos beta root 15 by 4x plus c2 sin beta root 15 by 4x plus e to the power x. So this is the complementary function. Okay, let us start.